Choosing the right legal structure. LLC vs. Corporation vs. Trust for foreign real estate buyers. Foreign investors entering the U.S. real estate market face a critical decision that can dramatically impact their financial future and estate planning goals. While purchasing American property requires no citizenship or residency, the choice between an LLC, corporation, or trust structure carries profound implications for taxation, liability protection, and wealth transfer to future generations. The U.S. tax system presents unique challenges for international buyers, starting with how rental income is treated under federal law. By default, rental income from foreign investors is classified as fixed, determinable, annual, or periodical income, subjecting it to a harsh 30% withholding tax on gross rental income with no deductions allowed. However, foreign investors can make a net basis election under Internal Revenue Code Section 871D to treat rental income as effectively connected income, allowing deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and maintenance costs. When selling U.S. real estate, the Foreign Investment in Real Property Tax Act requires buyers to withhold 15% of the gross sale price and remit it to the IRS at closing. This withholding serves as a prepayment toward potential capital gains tax, with foreign sellers filing Form 1040-NR to calculate actual liability and claim refunds when appropriate. The most significant risk facing foreign real estate investors is U.S. federal estate tax exposure, which differs drastically between residents and non-residents. While U.S. citizens and residents enjoy a $13.99 million estate tax exemption, non-resident aliens are limited to just $60,000 for U.S.-cited assets, including real estate. Any property value exceeding that threshold faces federal estate tax rates up to 40%, potentially forcing property sales to satisfy tax obligations. For example, a foreign individual directly owning a $2 million U.S. property could face approximately $732,800 in federal estate tax after credits. Limited liability companies offer foreign investors a balance of liability protection and operational simplicity, creating a legal shield between personal assets and property-related claims. LLCs provide pass-through taxation, meaning income and deductions flow directly to the owner's individual tax return without entity-level taxation. However, LLC ownership still exposes foreign investors to the same estate tax risks as direct property ownership, making it less suitable for long-term wealth preservation. Corporate structures and trust arrangements can provide additional tax benefits and estate planning advantages that LLCs cannot match. Each legal structure requires careful analysis of the investor's specific goals, including income generation, liability protection, tax efficiency, and succession planning objectives. An experienced attorney can evaluate these complex considerations and recommend the most appropriate ownership structure for each foreign investor's unique circumstances. Contact Sishodia PLLC at 833-616-4646, located at 600 3rd Avenue, 2nd floor, New York, New York 10016, to schedule your confidential consultation about structuring your U.S. real estate investment.